Hey, you already know what the fuck going on. I'm on my ignorant shit tonight. We about to get fucking dumb lit on this shit. Hey, you need to turn your shit up, bitch. Let's go. Hey, yeah, hold up. What the fuck? Hey, bass in the trunk. Yeah, shorty wanna fuck, but I'm busy getting bucks. If you know my fucking name, you know my music bumps. If you hate my fucking shit, you a motherfucking chump. Hey, ooh, yeah, damn, Billy stay hard like a kite. Yeah, bitch, I blew up overnight. Yeah, you know the world around town. Hey, my diamonds bright like a light. Yeah, my music different, I'm right. Hey, my music different, I'm right. Yeah, who the fuck else sounds like this? Hey, my music different, I'm right. I don't give a fuck, I do what I want. You mad cause I'm up, I know you're watching. Smoking on big blunts, you know I'm gassed up. Billy is next up, I can't stop flexing. Rapping to get it, I'm thinking I got it. I flex all on purpose, this money deserve it. I'm high off the bush, I don't smoke on no Reggie. I only eat veggies, yeah, Billy stay healthy like this. Hey, greens all day, bitch, I'm hot like Frito-Lay. Damn, greens all day, bitch, I'm hot like Frito-Lay. What the fuck do you want? I'm just doing what I love. I was rich before the rap, now I'm just leveling up. Now what the fuck do you want? I'm just doing what I love. Yeah, I was rich before the rap, now I'm just leveling up.